All right, so I want to share with you the five things, or five of the things that we talk often about with our clients in terms of the art of an open house. Now, open houses can be a very valuable way to try to market your home and get more people through it, contrary to popular belief. And I want to share with you some of the tricks that we use. Number one, we have found that weekdays are gold. This is something that we started testing some time ago. Typically, open houses are held on the weekends. That's kind of been the long-standing tradition. But we said, I wonder what would happen if we took an open house and we held it on a weekday during the afternoon, during the evening. What happens? And we found that we actually get as much traffic, foot traffic through the house as we do on the weekend, sometimes even more. So I think, gone are the days where the weekend is the one and only and the best time to hold an open house. I think depending on your situation, depending on your price point, your neighborhood, there's a lot of variables here. The weekday may actually be a better option. The other thing I thought about with this is that if you think about it, if most homes come on market on, say, a Thursday or a Friday, and they hold their open house on Sunday, but you undercut them and you have your open house on a Wednesday, guess what? You're going to be the only open house there. And the most motivated buyers, yeah, they can't see all the other competition. The only one they have the option to see is yours, right? These are the most motivated. So great idea to hold them on the weekdays. Number two, inspect what you expect. If you're asking your real estate agent to hold an open house, it's not a bad idea. I mean, look, I recommend to my clients, have a secret shopper come in. have your brother-in-law or sister or friends, family, whatever, walk through the home, right? How is the agent doing? How are they presenting the home to would-be buyers? Are they sitting behind a table is one of the things I have noted here. We walk into open houses and all the time I'll see the real estate agent is just sitting at the kitchen table. They'll say, hey, hi, while sitting at the kitchen table, but it doesn't really feel like they're super engaged. What I coach our agents and what I do personally, if I'm at an open house, I'm standing, I'm engaged, I'm greeting them, right? Just like you would at any other function, right? I mean, you wouldn't expect to walk into some other sales experience and find that the salesperson is just like chilling behind a table and like, hey, how you doing? Come on in, take a look over there and let me know what you think. It just is kind of off-putting. And so make sure they also know kind of the basic facts of the home. If you've done any recent updates, that would be good for them to be passing along to the would-be buyers. And so make sure if you can meet up with them ahead of time, let them know what some of these basic facts are that you think are going to be really valuable to the next homeowners so they can pass it along. Number three, lock away all your valuables. Now, again, as a former cop, this is something that I'm really in tune to. If I'm showing a home to clients, right, I'm generally right there with them most of the way. So obviously I'm keeping an eye on making sure that they're not digging through things that they shouldn't be digging through. But at an open house, it's different. We may have 5, 6, 8 groups of people through that house at any given time. In that immediate moment, there may be a lot of people through, and I can't always have my eye on every single one of them because you've got some upstairs, some on the main level, some in the basement. So guys, jewelry, any valuables, heirlooms, certainly pets, right? Those should also be taken out for an open house, even if they are being left in the home during showings. Open houses, it's difficult to keep an eye on all of those things all at once when you've got 8 different groups in there. Go ahead and remove them just for peace of mind. Number 4, take it easy on the air fresheners. So I can't tell you how many times I've walked into a house and they've got, a Glade plug-in here in the foyer. They got a Glade plug-in here and a Glade plug-in here, and they've got 3 incense burning. And it's like, oh my gosh, like my nose is burning just from all of the fragrance, right? Less is more here, guys. It's not that air fragrance is a bad thing, but less is more. Just keep it, muted. It should be a sort of a passing thought, like, oh wow, this smells good, right? Not like just an overpowering, get punched in the face type experience. So less is more, guys. Take it easy on the air fresheners. And lastly, just a few things that, again, I always tell folks, not only for open houses, but for showings too. Toilet lids, shut them, right? Nobody wants to see the inside of your toilet. Keep your blinds open. Natural light sells, so get as much natural light in the house as possible. And lastly, keep all the lights on, all of them. Every single light in the house should be on. Guys, I hope that's helpful in making a great experience at your next open house.